Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create a free account on AutoSlide, the revolutionary AI-powered tool designed to help you effortlessly generate stunning presentations. From concept to presentation in mere seconds, AutoSlide eliminates the need to start from scratch ever again. However, before we jump into the exciting world of presentation creation, let us start by setting up your AutoSlide account. Let's kick things off by launching your preferred web browser. Once you have it up running, navigate to the address bar and input autoslide.ai. Then, press the Enter key. This action will seamlessly transport you to the designated AutoSlide website, where you will embark on your journey towards effortless and captivating presentations. Now, as you arrive on the AutoSlide homepage, your eyes will swiftly be drawn to a conspicuous feature, the Get Started button, boldly presented for your convenience. Without hesitation, give it a click to set in motion the process of creating your account, paving the way for your seamless experience with AutoSlide's powerful presentation tools. AutoSlide streamlines the account creation process by providing a convenient and user-friendly Google sign-up option. This innovative feature allows you the flexibility to either utilize your pre-existing Google credentials or embark on creating a new account if you haven't done so already. This ensures a hassle-free and efficient onboarding experience for all users, whether they are well-versed in the Google ecosystem or new to it. Simply locate and click on the Google Sign-In button. It is your gateway to a swift and secure login experience. Just follow the prompts that will be presented to you. By opting for the Google Sign-In option, you are choosing the convenience and security that comes with utilizing your Google account credentials to access AutoSlide services. You have successfully arrived at the heart of AutoSlide, your personal dashboard. This pivotal juncture marks the commencement of your journey into the realm of creative and captivating presentations. Here, you will harness the power of AutoSlide's innovative tools and features to craft presentations that are nothing short of extraordinary. Your AutoSlide dashboard is your digital canvas, your creative sanctuary, and your command center for all things presentation related. It is the place where your ideas will take shape, where your content will come to life, and where your vision will be transformed into compelling visual narratives. As you delve into the art of presentation creation within your AutoSlide dashboard, remember that your journey is just beginning. Prepare to unleash your creativity, enhance your communication, and make a lasting impression with your extraordinary presentations. The possibilities are boundless, and we're thrilled to have you on board. As we wrap up this initial orientation, please remember that we are here to support you every step of the way. Should you have any questions, concerns, or require additional guidance, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. In the upcoming segments of our AutoSlide tutorial series, we will explore the myriad features and functionalities that will empower you to create presentations that captivate your audience. Stay tuned for in-depth demonstrations on topics such as template selection, content creation, animation, and much more. AutoSlide is your partner in presentation success, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Before we sign off, let us quickly recap the key steps we've covered today in creating your free slide or AutoSlide account. First, open your web browser and navigate to autoslide.ai. Next, click on the prominent Get Started button on the homepage. Then, opt for the hassle-free Google Sign-In option to access your account swiftly and securely. Finally, explore your AutoSlide dashboard, your gateway to crafting extraordinary presentations. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial video, where we will dive deeper into the exciting world of AutoSlide presentation creation. Until then, thank you for watching, happy presenting, and enjoy the creative journey ahead with AutoSlide. Until next time.